Welcome to the Queen's Court. Today, I have a thrift haul. Excuse the plane, y'all. I'm out here on the line. I have a thrift haul, and I have an unboxing of Beebeecrafts. Okay, so while I was at the thrift store this week, it's a collective haul. Everything wasn't purchased at the same time. So yeah, from Good Stuff and from Goodwill. Okay, and I have just a couple of pieces from Dollar Deal. Okay. If you are new here, I am the host of this channel, and I say welcome. Welcome to the Queen's Court. Thank you to all my faithful returning family members. I appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all so much. I just don't know. Y'all is showing out. Yes, thank you so much for your love and your support. Again, I will continue to say it. Thank you for your love and your support. So, and if you enjoy this video, please, subscribe. I love to have you here at the Queen's Court. We're family here. And, y'all, it's all about looking out for one another, Let's help one another, Let's make all our dreams come true. Okay? All right. So, with that being said, let's get into the haul. All right. So, at Good Stuff, we're going to stop at Good Stuff. Good Stuff, I got these beautiful, oh my goodness, when I see them, it's like a maroon color. These here napkins. Yes, I thought these were so adorable, but what got me was this detail here. I don't know what it is, it's just a design, but it is absolutely gorgeous, and y'all know it's gold. That really got me. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, and they are so silky and beautiful. I just love them. They are gorgeous. Oh, I can see these on the table scape. So gorgeous. Look at that. So silky and so beautiful. So I got 4 of these. You will see these on the table scape very soon. Excuse me. See these on the table scape very soon. So you can use these for Christmas. You can use these anytime. It all depends on what color you want your table. You can use these for Thanksgiving. And yeah, make you a gorgeous table scape, honey. Okay, so now we're still at Good Stuff. Good Stuff, I always try to pick these up. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. These were 50 cents a piece. Yes, honey, 50 cents a piece, okay? 50 cents a piece. I could not believe it. So, like I say, I always like to pick up these ginger jars. You can use these on your coffee bar. You can use these in your bathroom. It was so cute. It's just a little miniature ginger jar. And they wanted $2 for this. Okay? $2. And I absolutely love it. I love it. It just reminds me of a big ginger jar like I'm still looking for that I want. I'm going to find me one day in these stores. Okay? Yes, honey, you could do so much with this little ginger jar, You could use it for the bathroom. Like you could use, yes, you could put little cotton balls in this. You can put the little bath beads in here, You can use Q-tips if that's what you use. Yeah, so much that you can do with these. Like I said, you can use this on your coffee bar. You can put like marshmallows in here, the little mini marshmallows. You can put hot cocoa, the cocoa powder in here. Yes, you can do so much with that. But that was $2, and I just absolutely absolutely love it. Okay, so we're still at Good Stuff. Good Stuff had these flowers right here, honey, for $6. There's a pink one, a blush color one. That pink's coming. $6. There you go. There's a blush color one that goes with this here, and y'all, I cannot find the flower because I thought I was going to use these at one time, but look, I'm just going to take them apart. But I had it didn't go quite with the color, but these right here came in with that bush. These beautiful flowers. Oh my God, y'all, when I seen them at Good Stuff, I ran to them. I can find me some beautiful flowers at Goodwill and Good Stuff. Oh God, look at that. I got 4 of these, y'all. And y'all know how much these cost at Hobby Lobby and Michael's. Yeah, they like $4.99 a stem. So I got a great deal on these. Look at that. So pretty. It's got that plum color, like in that plum family. So pretty. And this is like a purple, but they put it in there with it. And it was a mauve color one in there, or should I say blush color one in there, just like these here ones. It was absolutely gorgeous. But can y'all see this together? Look at that. This is my little pumpkin I DIY. But can y'all see this together on a coffee? Just in a group somewhere, in a vignette. But yes, I love this pumpkin from the Dollar Tree. And I can pair that with that. Beautiful. $6. And one will cost $6, okay? Now we are going to Goodwill. Not Goodwill, Dollar Bill. I always pick up these when I get a chance to, because I make my own. I have my own custom glitter that I make. Okay, so I pick up these here. And yeah, I love these. It's the gold tone and the silver and white beads, like. Got that, but these were like $1.19 a piece, $1.09 a piece. And I also got these here because I use these for my hair, for my ponytail. I love these. I have to get the big ones because the little ones just don't do it for me. I like that these feel so comfortable, and these were $1.09 as well. Okay, so we are going to Goodwill. Goodwill did it for me this week. I tell you, I'm so thankful for Goodwill. Oh, wait a minute, wait. We're not finished with good stuff yet. These right here, these, y'all, you know, I can paint these beads. And they're going to probably be like in a gold color. But these beads was in the bin for like 50 cents. These beads right here, use these. I can use these for, I can make necklaces with these. I can make those, I don't know what you call them, that you put on your coffee table. You can do so much with these. 50 cents bags, so I can make those. Look what I found today. And boy, okay, these were in Good Stuff. Y'all, they still in the package. Okay, never been used. With the price on it for $7.99. Okay, I think this came from, looked like either Marshall's, maybe Burlington or somewhere like that there. But y'all, look at the bowls. OMG. I was like, oh my goodness, honey, Valentine's Day is coming up, Christmas is coming, honey. I'm gonna use these for all 3. And even, just like I say, even you don't have to use it for Valentine's Day or whatever. You can use your table, you can put what you want on your table, but it came just like this here, still price. I'm gonna cut that. off the first one. It still even got the things in between it. I'm back, y'all. I don't know what happened. My storage I had to delete some stuff. But anyway, I do know what happened. All right, cut off on me. All right, I was talking about these here bows right here. I got 4 of them for. These are so beautiful. 4 of these for $7. Well, they were $7.99 regular in the store, and I got them for, y'all, drum roll. I got them for $2.50. Look at that, $2.50. All 4 of these bowls, absolutely beautiful. That glittered look. Oh my goodness, I can see this on the table scape. Yeah. Look at that. OMG. Ooh, can you see? Can you see? Yes, I am loving that. Yes. $2.50 for these beautiful bowls. Absolutely gorgeous. Yep. See them on the table scape. Alright, so here we go. Y'all, I have been looking for these. Okay? I went into Goodwill and I got these right here. OMG. I had these on my wish list. I've been looking online for them. I seen Trevina and the Sensational Twins with these. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love these. These are the 2 that I had in my $10 thrift find. And y'all, they were $3.99 a piece. And the lady was helping me find them, y'all. She said, mommy, here's the other one. I was like, oh, okay, so I have another one. And I left it in the store, y'all. Went back today, and there it was. I was like, oh my goodness. So I have 2 of the tall ones. I can use these for my table scapes. And that was $3.99 as well, y'all. Absolutely love these. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look how detailed they are. Absolutely love it. These 2 are alike. Okay, these 2 are alike. I absolutely love it. So beautiful. Oh my God, I just love everything about these. And I had asked them where they got theirs from. And the twins I seen where they got theirs from, but I was like, oh my goodness. And this is the smaller one. Oh my goodness, y'all, I can pair these up on the table. I can use one of my risers. I can put these on my coffee table, which I did. I showed that in the $10 thrift find. Yes, but God, I love these. I have been searching for these. I just think they are so grand, so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I love mirror. And these I will have for a lifetime. I don't think I will ever get rid of these. They are so beautiful. Oh my God. I just love the mirror. And you know, it's every other mirror. It's so beautiful. I just love these. I got all 3 of them. I'm scared to put them all up together, but I can't do that. So okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for the BBs. Okay, so this is the way it came, and I will leave BB's information down in the description box below. These right here, I got 2 of these. this is what I wanted. It's a silver and a gold, and it's the small chain. Really, really pretty. But yeah, it's so pretty. So pretty to me. So I'll be doing some DIYs with that, and that is the it don't have a, it just has the codes on it, y'all. That's the chain. Okay, and we have here. Wrap, diamond wrap. It is so pretty. Look at that. So pretty, and it's a roll. So pretty. Ooh, it's sticky too. Okay, and we also have this is like mirrored and green together. I'm not going to take it all apart. But please go and check Beebeecrafts out, y'all. Look at this. It's a sheet. But look at that. Oh my goodness, y'all. You ready for some DIY, some crafts coming at you real soon. This is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. And I also got this here. This here green sheet and gold. That is so pretty. That is beautiful. I love gold, y'all. I'm a more gold person than I am silver, but I do like mixing my metals, my gold and silver together. So yes, this is absolutely gorgeous. That's gold. I've had the silver one like this here from Amazon. So yeah, so that is my home. I believe that's everything. Yep, that's everything. Thank you, Beebeecrafts. And thank you all again. Like I say, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Queen's Court. I love to have you. Also click that all notification bell so that every time that I upload a video, you will be notified. And remember, like I always say, it's just nice to be nice. God bless you until the next video. Happy fall, y'all. Bye-bye. Love you all.